We've got 3 more screws for this.
Okay. Rolling around.
I got a screwdriver. That's a one and all in one tool.
Further away.
Hold on a sec.
That lopsided, I mean, they're going to balance forward just
So when it comes up, is it?
It'll be a 1 5/8.
1 5/8. So that's a 1 5/8.
Yes, sir.
There's going to be 3 parts. There's this part we see here. There's going to be a spring, and there's going to be a lower bracket actually that engages the stack.
Zero in on it.
Dull side up.
Shiny side up. Okay, we're editing.
Color me ready. Okay, what is the first piece going on there?
First piece goes here, it engages.
Let's take a look down here. Okay.
See how it engages in the slots?
Get that hand flashlight, will you? Can you lift it in and out again?
Sure. Maybe I'll turn it.
Okay. And just rotate right until it hits.
Spring. Seal holder. See how much room, misalignment room you have?
Yeah, that's easier, isn't it?
A lot easier, yeah. O-ring, pre-lubricated.
Okay, which O-ring is that?
This is the
The
top
only one
O-ring.
that fits, right?
And here's a seal.
Shiny side up.
Shiny side up.
Let's take a look at that seal again.
Brian, Jared is on Beta 1. Brian, Beta line 1.
Okay. So there you go. There's there. Go ahead.
Want me to use my Spanish again?
Yeah.
Esto no bueno.
No good. We've got to line them up.
Line them up. Bueno.
Okay.
Mira.
Okay, that's pretty much it.
Bueno.
Okay, then we're off to putting the lid back on again, huh? Okay, come here, you take over.
So that shiny side is up.
Yeah, shiny side is up. Shiny side, the polished side always toward the
Top.
top, in this case.
Raise the shaft to set the clearance. This is done by inserting something underneath the coupler,
Some kind of spacer of some sort.
take up the clearance. Come on, you. See, right there, the clearance is all taken up. Now we need to elevate the shaft upwards 1 to 2 millimeters. This shim here is about 1.5 millimeters thick. So all we're going to do is raise this up. What's happened is the coupler is stuck on the motor shaft. Anyway, we're going to pry up with a screwdriver on the bottom of the coupler so that we can put in the other 1.5 millimeter shim. That raised the whole stack. At this point, we can tighten the coupling screws and set it on the motor. When you do this coupling screws, you got to make sure the gap in between the two sides of the coupling is even. All right, now the coupling, the gap is even between the two. We can pull out our shims and we'll see when we turn this coupler shaft, it's nice and free. It's even, the gap is even between the two here. See? At this point, we can snug these all up and we're done with that critical stage there.